Meaning of heart-lung machine.
Heart-lung machine.
Heart-lung machine.
Heart-lung machine.
Heart-lung machine. A heart-lung machine is a medical device used during open-heart surgery to temporarily take over the function of the patient's heart and lungs. It pumps and oxygenates blood while the heart is stopped so that surgeons can perform procedures on the heart. The machine consists of a pump, oxygenator, and tubing, which are connected to the patient's circulatory system. Blood is diverted from the heart to the machine and returned to the body after it has been oxygenated. The use of the heart-lung machine allows surgeons to perform delicate procedures on the heart and make repairs without risking the patient's life.